What's going on, guys? Idris here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full unboxing and first impressions video of Apple's new MagSafe wireless charging bank. Now, this is definitely a useful accessory, especially for people that are out and about. Every time I say that, I feel like I just sound so Canadian. But yeah, for people that are constantly on the go and you don't want to bring extra cables with you, maybe you don't want to bring an extra power brick with you, this is definitely something that you're going to be wanting to look at. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything that comes in the box and some of my impressions. But before I do get into the video today, I'm going to kindly ask you guys to hit the subscribe button and also thumbs up if you found this video useful, just because it helps my channel grow and I really appreciate it. But to reward you watching home, I'm going to be doing a HomePod mini giveaway to anybody that subscribes and comments on this video or any of my other videos. So all you gotta do is comment below and be subscribed and you're entered. Let's get into the unboxing. This is the case that it comes in. Typical Apple packaging that you could expect. Very minimal, very clean packaging. It has a little bit of a graphic here to show you how you just connect it to the phone. I'm gonna go ahead and start the unboxing, but before I do, just point out the price here in Canada is $119 for this bad boy. So it's a little bit expensive, but I'm gonna be doing a full review to see if it's worth it. So let's go ahead and pull off the tab. And then you just kind of pull it out here. And here it is. Gonna take it out of the box. To describe the feel of this, I'd say that this is kind of more plasticky than rubbery. I actually expected it to be made out of rubber, and you know, some people think that this is kind of ugly, but to be honest, I kind of like the way this looks. I do wish it came in black. White is the only color that it comes with. But just looking at the body, the bottom, it has the lightning port at the bottoms, so you can use it to charge with a lightning cable, which is probably not included, but I'm gonna go through that in the box. But this is how it looks. This is the magnet for the MagSafe, so it's not too heavy to be honest, but it is a little bit of a thick boy. But let's go ahead and show you what's in the box. So inside the box, of course, you get the standard manual designed by Apple in California. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. Typical warranty information that you can also always expect from Apple. Of course, you don't get any Apple stickers. That is pretty much it. So like I said, you don't get a cable in the box, a lightning cable. And the reason why, I think, is because it only works for the iPhone 12, and the iPhone 12 already comes with a lightning cable. And lately, Apple has just been skimping on the cables. So there's that. Let's go ahead and try to connect it. It has a pretty firm grip, I can't lie. Usually the grip on the MagSafe, personally speaking, I did not like how loose it was, but this actually feels quite firm. So like you can see, it's not falling, and I don't know why, but it just feels a little bit tighter than the MagSafe wallet. I don't know why, but you can see it's not charging, and the reason why is because I'm pretty sure it comes dead. And in a bit, I'm going to charge it up and show you how it looks when it's charging. But this is how it looks. This is how thick it'll be. Here's a side-by-side comparison if you don't want to see it attached, to see how much thicker it is than the iPhone. Something else that I want to point out is that when you are charging this guy, it has this light at the bottom here to let you know that it's charging. So let's see what happens when it's charging and you connect the phone. So you can see it has the standard charging thing here, letting you know that it's charging. And if you can look right at the top there, you're gonna see there's the charging icon. I think also this has pass-through charging. So what that means is if I put this in, if I charge it here, it should also charge the MagSafe Charger. You can see that the light's red, so I don't actually have to charge both. I can charge my iPhone in with pass-through charging. It'll charge the MagSafe as well, so that is a handy little feature. Okay, so that is what comes in the box. Let's move on to some of the specs and features of this new MagSafe wireless charging bank. This charging bank can work with the iPhone 12, the 12 mini, the 12 Pro Max, or the 12 Pro. Apple says that it can charge higher if you charge it with a 27 watt or higher charger. So that would be something like the MacBook charger if you have one. It only charges to a maximum of 5 watts when you're outside or not plugged into a 27 watt charger, and this is to avoid overheating and to save battery life. Apple does not say how much extra battery life you get with this, but I'll make sure to update you in my full review, so you're gonna wanna make sure to subscribe. With that said, I'm expecting at least 1 hour of full charge out of this. Otherwise, what is the point of spending $99 US? It can also charge your other devices like your AirPods or anything that uses Qi charging. You can also see the charging status and battery info on the widget on your phone. So let's talk about some of my thoughts about this so far. One, I think this is super handy. For me, I'm gonna be going to Vancouver soon, so I'm gonna be on a plane, I'm gonna be out and about. I'm not going to be connected to a charger. So this is definitely something that I'm going to make sure that I bring with me on my trip, just to make sure that I have power and I'm connected on the go. Speaking about the design, I actually like the design of it, as I mentioned before. Although it is a bit chunkier than Apple's ad materials, it looks pretty clean. It's just pure Apple design, so I kind of like it. On the downside, something that I think is kind of crappy about it is that 5 watt charging. That is not really that much if you compare it with the third-party alternatives, like the ones that you could find on Amazon, which I'm probably going to link below. 5 watts I'm not too excited about. I don't know how fast it's going to charge, but again, I'll make sure to update you in the full review when I bring it with me to Vancouver. But that's been it, guys. Let me know any questions that you guys have about this charger, and I'm going to mention it in the full review. If you want to do any specific tests, let me know. Do you guys think this is too expensive? Also, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.